Best home remedies for bronchitis dry cough in babies, dogs and pregnant women. In this natural health video, we are going to learn effective natural home remedies for bronchitis dry cough in babies, dogs and pregnant women. Please look in the description box below to skip to the part of the video that applies to you. We have sectioned the video into 3 parts. Keep in mind that the remedies in this video are what you can do to manage the condition at home. Please do not substitute this for medical advice. Bronchitis is an inflammation of the trachea which is usually accompanied by cough. It makes the bronchial tube's airway to be full of mucus. This causes a lot of discomfort, but it can be treated with simple home remedies. Home remedies for bronchitis dry cough in babies. Babies are not left out as they are also prone to bronchitis dry cough. This can lead to high temperature and a fever if had for too long. Here are some remedies for bronchitis in children. Drink plenty of water. A child who has dry cough should be given lots of water. Being hydrated will help reduce the mucus. Warm liquids such as tea can also be given in addition to water. Lots of fluid will help to clear the throat. Get some rest. A child suffering from bronchitis ought to have some rest. Stress and anxiety will only heighten the problem. Staying in a relaxed and calm manner will help balance the body system. Adequate rest and sleep allows the body to heal itself. Eat some spicy food. This remedy applies to older kids. Spicy food is a good remedy for dry cough and mucus. They help to loosen up the congested bronchial tubes. Peppers like chili pepper, cayenne pepper can be added to meals to ease the symptoms of bronchitis. Use honey. Honey is a long-used medicine which is known for its antibacterial benefits. It helps to soothe the mucous membranes and reduce the inflammation. It should be added to warm water or tea. However, honey shouldn't be given to kids below a year of age. Gargle with salt water. Taking salt water can reduce the unfair symptoms of bronchitis. This will help cleanse the throat and flush down excess mucus. Gargling with salt water thrice a day helps to reduce the discomfort caused by upper respiratory infections. Take chicken soup. Chicken soup has some anti-inflammatory effect which makes it good for fighting infections. It helps to soothe the inflammation in the airways. Children can be given chicken soup at least once daily in order to feel better. Home remedies for bronchitis dry cough in dogs. Bronchitis also occurs in dogs. It causes a dog to cough and gag. Kennel cough is a type of bronchitis in dogs which is common and highly contagious. It can be contracted at places where lots of dogs gather together like dog parks or dog shows. However, some remedies can help cure bronchitis in dogs. Echinacea. Boosting the immune system of the animal can help it heal. There are herbs that are immune boosters in dogs. Echinacea is an example of such which is used to boost the immune system of the dog. This herb should be given daily. Vitamin E vitamins which are found in natural supplements also help to boost the immune system in dogs. Vitamin E is one of such vitamins. It should be given to dogs suffering from bronchitis. It is recommended that 50 U international unit of vitamin E should be administered to small dogs daily. Medium dogs are to be given 200 to 400 U while large dogs can take 800 U per day. Vitamin C is very effective against viruses and this makes it possible for it to cure dogs with respiratory issues. Anywhere from 200 mg to 1000 mg should be administered twice daily depending on the size of the affected dog. Leaves from olive tree. Leaves from the olive tree are packed with loads of medicinal benefits. They have antiviral, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This allows it to boost the immune system of dogs that suffer from flu and bronchitis. Marshmallow roots. Marshmallow roots have mucilage which is very effective for soothing the mucous membranes. It is a natural remedy for digestive and respiratory problems. It should be given to dogs that have both dry and wet cough. Osha root. Ligusticum porteri, known as osha, is an herb that is commonly used by Native Americans. It is treasured for its anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. It works well in dogs to help treat bronchitis and other respiratory problems. Manuka honey. Manuka honey is a special type of honey which is productive from the nectar of the manuka tree. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antiviral properties. It can ease the symptoms in dogs and also fight the infection. Home remedies for bronchitis dry cough in pregnant women. Pregnant women are also vulnerable to bronchitis. This is caused by exposure to irritating factors in the atmosphere. The symptoms can be very severe. Sore throat, chest pain, fatigue and rise in temperature are some of these symptoms. The good news is that bronchitis can be treated in pregnant women. These are remedies for bronchitis dry cough in women. Eat more vitamin D-rich foods. Vitamin D is highly important and should be taken to ease up the symptoms of bronchitis. It is also good to prevent dry cough in the nearest future. It is said that low levels of vitamin D in the body can cause frequent occurrences of upper respiratory tract infections. Sources of vitamin D are sunlight, fish, eggs, milk and cod liver oil. Use turmeric. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory benefits which will help soothe the cough that comes with bronchitis. A teaspoon of turmeric powder should be added to a glass of water or milk and taken twice daily. It will ease the symptoms and help the airways clear fast. Stay away from smoke. Smoking cigarette or tobacco can cause a lot of harm to the airways. Also, inhaling these types of smoke causes severe inflammation to the lungs. It also poses a lot of risk to the baby in the womb. A pregnant woman should endeavor to stay away from all sorts of irritants like smoke. Take ginger. Ginger is popular for its anti-inflammatory benefits. It is commonly used to treat common cold and dry cough. Fresh ginger should be boiled and taken while warm in order to relieve the bronchial tubes. Honey can be added to the ginger tea as it helps too. Breathe in some steam. Boiling water to a point where it emits hot steam is a good way to free up the congested airways. This can be done by bending over just above the bowl of steaming water. It should be done for about 5 to 10 minutes. However, care should be taken so as not to spill over the hot water on the body. Get a humidifier. A humidifier is a device that helps to prevent dryness by adding moisture to the air. It should be placed in one's room as it will help soothe the throat and clear the mucus. The humidifier ought to be cleaned regularly in order to get rid of bacteria. Take yogurt. Yogurt contains good bacteria that help to fight bad bacteria. They are called probiotics. Taking more of yogurt will help clear the airways and also improve the health. It alleviates the symptoms of digestive and respiratory tract infections. Don't forget to book an appointment with your doctor to further help you tackle this condition. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips. Thanks for watching.